Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday evening, almost 9:45. Clear, cold and dry, brisk. The wind's starting to pick up, and the wind chills are actually going to be a factor overnight towards daybreak Wednesday and Wednesday afternoon. Gusty winds, cold temperatures. The net result, it'll feel colder. I'll show you those wind chills in just a second. Satellite photos showing skies are clear and dry. Things are looking fairly quiet. We're going to draw our attention to this system out west. And you see it right in here, this area of low pressure, this counterclockwise spin. And out ahead of it, just a long line of rain and thunder all the way down to Houston and the deep south. So here's the setup. This low right here is actually going to travel up into the Great Lakes. So it's not a factor in our forecast. What will happen is a secondary storm is going to form off the mid-Atlantic coastline Thursday night into Friday, and this will impact our weather on Friday, but it should be in the form of rain and wind. So let's set the stage here, and we'll put this into motion, and we're going to take you into, this is Wednesday afternoon, and quite simply, it's just sunny, windy, cold, and dry. Notice how this precipitation is starting to expand across the Mississippi and Ohio River Valley. We jump ahead now to, we'll take you into Thursday afternoon around 12 noon. And we're still dry, but clouds are on the increase. And there's a second storm system starting to form near the mid-Atlantic. The leading edge of precipitation is just outside of New York City. That's Thursday afternoon. So this all arrives late on Thursday night. Actually, this is midnight. And you see that the second storm now off the New Jersey coastline. The rain is starting to work in, snow to the north. And then we jump ahead to Friday morning and Friday afternoon. This is Friday, 1 o'clock. Intensifying storm south of Long Island, New York. And in this kind of a track, kind of tucked in near the coast, kind of close to the coastline, should draw in enough milder air off the ocean to keep this mostly rain for southeastern New England. This is the rain-snow line, so everything to the north and west of this line, including the Berkshires and Mass, northwest Connecticut's right in here, upstate New York, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, would be in the form of snow. And we'll just have kind of a wind-swept heavy rain. I mean, should this storm track further south, it would bring snow in here. But right now, we think that this storm should track close enough to the coastline to tuck in the milder air and really give us mainly a rain situation here. Wind chills, oh boy, they're going to be dropping overnight. Look at these numbers by about 8 o'clock in the morning. Feel like temperatures, wind chills around 10 degrees. So the wind's gusting 25, 30 miles per hour Wednesday morning, and the actual air temperature is only 20. So the net result, it feels a lot colder. Here's the hour-by-hour breakdown. These are the actual air temperatures. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., 23. By 11 a.m., 34, but it does feel colder. It's dry, it's sunny, it's just windy and quite cold. In the afternoon, upper 30s, about the best we can do, blustery and sunny. No surprise here. We've got a small craft advisory for Wednesday. Northwest 15 to 20, gusts of 25 to around 30 knots. And then we'll bring in some of that rain and wind on Friday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for checking in. We'll talk to you soon.